Good morning, students. Today we will study multiplication of integers. Okay, so earlier we studied how to add integers, how to subtract integers. Now we will study multiplication of integers. Okay, so how we multiply the integers. So there are not much rules are there. Simple, like some tables are there, and you can easily, if you learn that table and understand that table, you can solve. Okay, so first of all, now how we can solve. So first of all, what is multiplication? Multiplication is nothing but it is a continuous or it is a repeated addition. Okay, so there are some rules for the addition. Okay, sorry, for the multiplication. So what are the rules? The rules for that: to determine the product of two integers with unlike sign, find the product of the numbers regardless of their signs. Okay, so what we will do first, in the question they are saying that suppose I have to find multiply 3 into minus 5. So if minus is there, you don't worry about that minus. What you have to do, simply you have to multiply 3 and 5 first, so you get the 15. So, and there is a table like if it here is nothing written before 3, it means there is a plus. So plus minus, it will be minus, so answer will be minus. So later on I will show you the table also. Second rule, it says that to determine the product of two integers with like sign, with the same sign, find the product of number and give the plus sign to the product. It means suppose I have to multiply minus 4 multiply minus 6. Same sign are there, so what will be the answer? You can write 24 and their sign will be positive. Okay, because minus into minus, that is positive. So that we will know here. That is most important one, table. Okay, so this table you must see. In this table you can see this is when we multiply this plus into plus. So what is the answer? Plus. Minus, plus, minus, minus. Okay, so what is it? So this table you have to remember. Plus into plus, your answer is plus. Plus into minus, answer is minus. Minus into plus, answer is minus. Minus into minus, answer is plus. So I give you one idea, you will easily you can remember. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज़ देखो, ये प्लस है, ये भी प्लस है, आंसर क्या है? प्लस है. यहाँ देखो माइनस है, अब यहाँ भी माइनस है, आंसर क्या है? प्लस है. तो दोनों केस में आंसर प्लस ही आ रहा है. जब सेम साइन प्लस प्लस हो या माइनस माइनस हो तो आंसर क्या आ रहा है? प्लस आ रहा है. ठीक है. और बाकी इस दोनों में देखो, प्लस वाले में और इसमें भी देखो, इस दोनों का आंसर आप देखो क्या है? माइनस है. क्या है? आप दोनों में आंसर चेक करो, माइनस है. ठीक है. तो दो डिफरेंट साइन है तो आंसर किस में आएगा? माइनस में. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस में. ओके, अगर सेम साइन है तो प्लस में. आपको याद करने में ईजी होगा. ठीक है. बेस्ड ऑन दिस वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन. गॉट इट? नाउ some question we will solve, then you will understand it better. First question we will solve, question number exercise. We are going to solve exercise 3D. Okay, the first question, that is copy and complete. Okay, the first one I am going to solve, copy and complete. So there is, the grid is given, table type is given. Okay, and here is written multiply. Here is 4, here is minus 4, here is 5, here is 20, here is this. Here you have to find out minus 5. Here also find out. Here also you have to find out. So how you will do? First, now here you can see this 5 and this 4. This 20. 5 into 4, 20. Now we will multiply this 5 by this minus 4. So 5 4s are 20. We will write. Okay, and what sign will be here? Here is nothing but, if there is no sign, suppose only 5 is written, it means there is a plus sign before that. Okay, if there is no any sign mention, अगर किसी भी डिजिट के सामने, नंबर के सामने कोई भी साइन नहीं दिया हुआ है, तो इसका मतलब है वो प्लस साइन में है. ठीक है, आप उसको प्लस लेंगे. सी हियर प्लस इनटू माइनस, व्हाट विल बी? माइनस. एज आई टोल्ड, अ डिफरेंट साइन, आंसर विल बी इन द माइनस. नाउ दिस minus 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, and here is minus sign, and here is the plus sign. So what sign will be here? Which sign will be here? Minus. Again you can see this 4 and this 2 will multiply. 5 4s are 20, but you can see here is the minus sign, here is also minus sign, so here will be plus 20. So this is here now our table is complete. So likewise you can complete it. Okay, next we will solve question number 2. Question number 2, find the following products. We have to find the products. So first question we are going to solve, number 1, that is 8 into 3. So अभी आप देखो 8 और 3 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 8 के सामने कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पर, इसका मतलब क्या है, वहाँ पे प्लस है. इसके सामने भी क्या है, कुछ नहीं, तो प्लस है. फर्स्ट इसमें करना है क्या, आपको मल्टीप्लाई करने के टाइम आपको सिंपली पहले मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. किसी भी नंबर का इंटीजर माइनस में हो या प्लस में हो, उसके लिए आपको सोचना नहीं है. आपको पहले क्या करना है, आपको नॉर्मली मल्टीप्लाई कर देना दोनों डिजिट को. तो 2 डिजिट इसमें क्या है, 8 है और 3 है. अब मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 24 आ जाएगा. ठीक है, अब आप देखो प्लस, अब प्लस, प्लस इंटू प्लस, आपको क्या पता है, प्लस. ठीक है, एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. -8 इंटू 3. अभी आप देखो यहाँ पे 2 साइन है. ठीक है, एक में यहाँ पे माइनस है, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं तो प्लस है. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं तो यहाँ पे प्लस है 3 के सामने. अभी आपको क्या करना है, अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो अब इसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको क्या करना है, आपको इस साइन के बारे में अभी कुछ नहीं सोचना है. ठीक है, इन सब साइन के बारे में आपको कुछ नहीं सोचना है. आपको क्या करना है, सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. किसको, इस दोनों को, 8 इस डिजिट को और ये वाले को. 8 और 2 भी 2 नंबर है, आपको उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई दिस 2 नंबर, आपको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद यू विल गेट 24. 8 3 24. ठीक है, आपको नंबर हो गया मल्टीप्लाई करके 24 आपको मिल गया. अब आपको क्या करना है, अब आपको साइन को मल्टीप्लाई कराना है. अब साइन देखो यहाँ पे क्या था, यहाँ पे माइनस था, यहाँ पे प्लस है. तो प्लस और माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई कराते तो क्या होता है, माइनस होता है. सो नाउ अभी हम लोग लिखेंगे यहाँ पे, नाउ वी विल राइट हियर माइनस. सो आंसर इज -24. गॉट इट. सो व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई, सिंपली यू मल्टीप्लाई द नंबर और डिजिट. okay, regardless you don't think about, you don't bother about the sign. First you multiply normally. After multiplying you have to multiply the sign according to that table. Got it? Okay, one more we will try. Number 6 we will try here. Okay, number 7. Okay, number 7 we will try, which is -25 multiplied by -25. So here what we will do, again the same thing. First we will multiply the digit only. This number we will multiply 25 into 25. We will get 625. Now we will see the sign. Now we will see the sign. So here is minus sign, here is minus sign. Now multiply these two sign according to the table, minus into minus plus. So your answer is 625. Okay. Now question number 3 we will do. Question number 3. We will solve number 2 we will do. Okay, number 2 we are going to solve, which is -4 multiplied -5 multiply -1. So now you can see there is a 3 different numbers are there. Okay, so first of all it will be easy when you will group it. So I will take in the one group and this will be in the one group. So now when you multiply these two, 4 5s are 20. Two different signs are there, same signs are there, minus, so it will be plus. Now this multiply right here, again 1. Now I can do again multiplication. Now 20 into 1, that is 20. Now minus into plus, plus into minus, minus. So this is your answer is -20. Got it? Okay, one more we will do. We will do this. Okay, number 6 we will do. Okay, number 6 is -8 multiplied 27 multiplied -9 multiply 0. Okay, so what we will do, again we will make the group, 2's group. Okay, this 2 in the one group. Now here 8 into 27 we multiply first. We have not worry about the sign, we don't see the sign, simply we will multiply 8 into 27. we will get 216. Okay, now here minus and here is plus. Here is, you can see, minus and here is nothing, is plus. So minus into plus, minus. Now here is 0, so multiply by 0, it will be 0. So now any number you multiply, any integer you multiply by 0, you will get 0. Okay, so your answer is 0. Or directly here you can say the answer will be 0, because all here digits are multiplying by 8, multiplying by 0, so answer will be 0. But for the step I just solve it. Okay, when 4 or 5 different numbers are there, so it will be better when you make in the group, arrange in the group, and you can multiply. Got it? Now question number, we will do number 4. Okay, question number 4 we will do. Question number 4, what will be the sign of product if we multiply together? Okay, so here I will solve 2, 4 is 2. They are saying 21 negative integers. How many negative integers? There is total 21 negative integer. Okay, 21 negative integer. Okay, and you have to, and there is, we have to multiply it by the, this 21 integers will multiply by the 3 positive integers. 3 positive integer. Okay, we will multiply this 21 negative integers will multiply by the 3 positive integers. So how we will multiply? So first of all, this 21 integer means, 21 negative integer means, can I write like this? Minus is first integer, minus, again minus, and minus into minus is what? That is plus. Got it? So this is the pair of 2. So again I can write one more minus. Okay, again one more minus, because I have to multiply 21 negative integers. How many? 21. Its answer will be again also plus. Okay, so likewise, how many it will be total? If we write this table 20, so we will get the 20 like this, 20. At least I have to multiply up to 21. But in this pair, how many we will get? Total 20 we can get, 20 pairs we can get. Okay, like this, how many pairs we will get? 20 pairs. But here is how many negative numbers are there? Negative integers 21. So 1 will be left. So 1 will be left. So who will left? 1 minus will left. Okay, and you can see in the here all the answers are coming in positive only. You can see all the answers are कमिंग इन पॉजिटिव. आप जब 21 को आप नेगेटिव नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो हमने क्या किया, ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई करना स्टार्ट किया, तो कितने का पेयर ऐसा मिल रहा है? 10 का पेयर मिल जाएगा. 10 मीन्स 10 इंटू 2 20. फिर भी एक बच जाएगा, कोई 21 है ना, तो एक बच जाएगा. तो एक माइनस वाला बच गया, एक नेगेटिव बच गया. दिस 21 इज लेफ्ट. और हर में आपका क्या आंसर आ रहा था? सभी में आपका आंसर आ रहा था पहले पॉजिटिव आ रहा था. ठीक है, एक आपका 21 वाले में जो 21 नंबर का था वो बच गया, और जो बाकी 20 के साथ आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया उसका आंसर, देयर आंसर वी गॉट इन प्लस, पॉजिटिव. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट विल बी द आंसर हियर? नाउ फाइनल आंसर माइनस इंटू प्लस, योर आंसर इज द माइनस. सो इट मीन्स here 21 negative numbers, when you will multiply 21 integers, you will multiply, your answer will come in the negative. Okay, now this part we will do. This part is here 3 positive. 3 positive means, suppose plus into again plus into plus. Okay, 3 plus we will multiply. Now 3 plus means this 2 plus we will multiply, we will plus into plus, plus we will get again 1 plus is there. Okay, so now 2 plus again we will multiply. So what will be the answer? Plus into plus, plus. Now what is the answer of this 3 positive numbers? Of course plus, and it's a, what is, check it, it's a minus. When you multiply 21 negative numbers, its answer will come in the negative. When you multiply 3 positive numbers, its answer will come in the positive. Now finally these two we will multiply. Okay, these two we will multiply. Okay, so now finally this minus come from the 21 integers, and it will be multiplied by plus it come from the 3 positive integers. Got it? Now minus into plus, your answer will be minus. Okay, and what is this? Minus is your sign, so you can write minus VE. Okay, so your answer is negative. Okay, understood how it come? Okay, you can see it now. Got it? How this come? 21 negative numbers and 3 positive numbers. I hope you understand. Okay, next we will solve question number 7. Okay, question number 7 we will solve. In 7, think and answer. Okay, think and answer. We have to think and compare the sign of product of two negative integers. I have to compare two negative numbers, two negative integers. So I will take two negative. First I take minus 1 negative, another I take minus 2 negative. Okay, and what I have to think? It's an answer. So of course when we multiply minus into minus, what we will get? We will multiply minus into minus. Of course you will get the positive answer, because minus into minus positive. Plus another situation is there also given, that is with the sign of sum of two negative integers. Okay, so now here we will get the sum we will get. Okay, one is minus. Okay, and what we have to do there? Plus means. Okay, and we have to compare minus. Now you just remember that first rule of the addition, when two different signs we are adding, and what sign will come, which sign will come, it will be the same sign will come. Minus, two minus are there. Okay, so when same signs are there, we will add and we will put the same sign. What sign is there, which sign is there? In the case of different sign, we are putting different sign. But if plus minus is there, then we will subtract and we will write the sign of the greatest number, whatever the sign before the greatest number. So here is the minus minus, so I will use the same sign. Okay, so here what will be? Here will be same sign, minus. Okay, so when you multiply two negative, two minus, answer come in the positive, and here come in negative. So this is the answer, this is the comparison. Okay, you can do it by the example also. Suppose I just take one example here. Okay, so what is the example? Suppose I take one number minus 5. Based on this, multiply by another one number I took minus 3. Two integers I have taken. Okay, got it? Two negative integers, and I will multiply it. 3 5s are 15, and which sign will come? Minus into minus, plus. So plus 15. Here also we will do one example. In this we will do minus, so I will take one minus 5, same number I am taking. Okay, and I have to add it because they are asking sum. Here I will take minus 3. So now two different signs are there. First of all I will remove the bracket, minus 5 plus minus minus 3. Now 5 plus, same signs are there. What we will do? First we will add it, and which is the greatest number, before that what sign is there? Same sign. So here is the minus sign, so I will use here minus. So you can check in the both cases, you can see here is the positive signs coming and here is negative. Okay, so we can say, what we can say? We can say here is our positive sign and here is our negative sign. Understood? This is the comparison. Got it? Okay, same number 2 we can do also from same question number 7. Number 2, suppose the product of two integers is positive. So 2, okay, I don't know the number, but the product is, what is the product? It is positive. Okay, what do you know about the sign of the integers. So when this पॉजिटिव साइन विल कम, इस दोनों बॉक्स में कौन सा नंबर ऐसा, कौन सा नंबर होगा पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव, कौन सा ऐसा नंबर होगा जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से पॉजिटिव आपको मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो वी कैन थिंक लाइक दैट. सो व्हाट वी कैन थिंक, सपोज इफ हियर इज द positive number and here is also positive number, you can just remember from the table. You just see the table, this table you can see when you are getting the positive answer. Only in two cases when same sign are there, plus plus minus minus, you can see here. Okay, the same we will apply there. Okay, same we will apply here. So plus plus answer will be in the plus. If it is minus into minus, so answer will be in the minus. Oh, sorry, plus, minus into minus plus. So if the number, both the number is either positive or negative, both the integers should be either positive or negative, then this our answer will be, the result will be in the positive integer. Understood? Okay, so this is about question number 7. Now we will solve question number 8 also. 8 is number 8. The Atlantic Ocean is sinking about 10 centimeter every 100 year. Means sinking means कम होना, there reducing. So what is, how much? 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter is sinking for every 100 year, after 100 years. Okay, so likewise after 300 years they are asking how much it sinks during this time. So again after 100 year it will sink 100 centimeter. Okay, again after 100 year, again 10 centimeter it will shrink. Okay, now all together in this you can see, for this 300 you can see all this 300, yes, minus 10 minus 10 minus 10. So you can do, for this one thing you can do minus 10 plus minus 10 plus minus 10. This is the one method. Okay, this is the one method, but we have to write the multiplication expression. We have to not solve by this method, so we have to write the multiplication expression. So how you can write the same thing in the multiplication expression? 3 times 10, so I can multiply like this, 3 into minus 10. So 3 10 3s are 30 and plus minus is your minus, and your unit will be in the centimeters. So in 300 year it is sinking about minus 30 degree centimeter. Okay, this is your answer. So this is your multiplication expression and this is your addition expression. Okay, next we will do question number 10. Number 10, during the game Priya scored minus 5 point. Okay, she is scoring minus 5. Okay, if she is giving wrong answer, for that the penalty is minus 5. Okay, so how many questions she missed? Total she missed 4 question, for each minus 5 and there are 4. एक के लिए minus 5, ठीक है, तो 4 के लिए तो क्या करेंगे, 4 के लिए मल्टीप्लाई. सो 5 4 जा 20, और यहाँ पे क्या है, यू कैन सी हियर इज अ माइनस एंड नथिंग हियर, इट मीन्स देयर इज अ प्लस, सो इट विल बी माइनस. सो minus 20 points. Okay, this is the answer. Thank you.